it's me, Lego Trinecraft, and I'm doing day 5 of Angry Bird Christmas, and I'm sorry about the light here. I have seen it. Oh wow. This is kind of amazing. I was expecting this. Ugh. Go, go, go! You can do it! Oh, I guess it did. I was doing another one because I was too quick. Guess I made a mistake. Oops. Oh wow. I wonder why am I doing this. Oh well. And I hope you a Merry Christmas. No, wait. I'm gonna do day 5 and day 6 together. Everything here. Okay. And have a blue bulb. I thought it was to blow up that thing. Oh well, I'll start from the base. No. What? Down didn't I? Oops. Oh wow. Ooh wow. Blasted. Oh wow. Oh, that's day 1 and day 6. And I hope you a Merry Christmas. Goodbye.